Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into a business model that's blowing up right now, and the best part is, you don't need to be an expert to start making serious money. It's called AI-powered service reselling, and it's a total game changer for anyone looking to build a profitable side hustle or even a full-time business from home. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get started. So, what exactly is AI-powered service reselling? Think of yourself as a project manager or a modern-day agency owner. You find clients who need digital services, but instead of doing all the heavy lifting yourself, you leverage the power of artificial intelligence and skilled freelancers to deliver the final product. You are the middleman, the connector, and you profit from the value you create by managing the process. Why is this such a smart move right now? First, the demand for digital services is through the roof. Businesses everywhere need things like logo design, voiceovers for their ads, social media content, copywriting, video editing. The list is endless. These are high-ticket, high-demand services. Second, and this is the key, you don't need prior expertise in any of these fields. You don't have to be a graphic designer or a writer. Your job is to find the clients and manage the delivery, which dramatically lowers the barrier to entry. You're selling the final result, not your personal hours. Let's break down how it works with a simple three-step process. Step 1, find a service that's in high demand. A great way to do this is to browse freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr and see what services are popular. Let's take social media content creation as our example. Every business needs a social media presence, but most owners don't have the time to create daily posts. Step 2, this is where the magic happens. You need to find a way to fulfill the service. You have two amazing options here. You can either hire a talented freelancer to do the work, or you can use powerful AI tools. For social media content, there are incredible AI platforms that can generate dozens of high-quality posts, including images and captions, in just a few minutes. You simply input some information about the client's business, and the AI does the creative work. Step 3, sell the service to clients at a markup. This is where you make your profit. You find the client, agree on a price, and then use your AI tool or freelancer to get the work done for a fraction of what you rate charging. A common strategy is to charge 2 to 3 times your cost. This markup covers your management time, marketing efforts, and of course, your profit. Let's walk through a real-world example to make this crystal clear. Imagine you decide to sell social media content packages. You find a local coffee shop that needs help with their Instagram. You offer them a package of 10 Instagram posts for the month, complete with custom graphics and engaging captions, and you charge them $250 for it. Now, instead of spending hours designing these posts yourself, you use an AI content creation tool. The subscription or credit cost for generating those 10 posts might only be around $20 or $30, so you charge the client $250, your cost is $30, and you've just made a $220 profit for acting as the project manager. Imagine doing that for just a few clients. The income potential here is genuinely impressive. Let's say you offer a recurring monthly service, like managing a client's social media or writing their weekly blog posts. If you charge a client $500 per month, which is very reasonable for these services, and you land just for clients, that's $2,000 in recurring revenue every single month. As you get more efficient and build a team or find better AI tools, your profit margins can increase even more. You could scale this by offering more services or hiring a virtual assistant to help you manage clients, freeing you up to focus on growth. To get started, your first mission is research. Identify 1 or 2 services you feel comfortable selling. Explore the AI tools available for those services. Many offer free trials. Then start reaching out to potential clients. You can find them on LinkedIn, in local business groups on Facebook, or even by just walking into local shops and asking if they need help with their online marketing. Create a simple portfolio using the AI tools to show potential clients what you can deliver. This model is all about working smarter, not harder. You're leveraging technology and the global talent pool to build a business That is limited by your own skills or the number of hours you can work in a day. It's scalable, flexible, and perfect for the digital age. So, what do you think? Is AI-powered service reselling something you'd consider trying? Let me know in the comments below which service you'd be most excited to sell. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more side hustle ideas and business strategies. I'll see you in the next video.